This is an incredible moment in which the bright future of Rowan College of Burlington County can join with those who first blazed the trail that we walk on today, which is why it is so fitting that the first building we rename on the Mount Laurel campus will honor his legacy. The former business and science incubators will now be called Evans Hall. In recognition of Dr. Evans' contributions to student success, we are establishing the President N. Dean Evans Scholarship to preserve a connection between our founding president and future students.
Countless students have been able to transform their lives through education because of the work of Dr. Evans. And Rowan College at Burlington County is an enormous success story, and we owe that in large part to our instrumental figure in our earliest chapter.
I was, of course, the first person they hired, but I can assure you that I certainly started looking for other people as soon as I could, because no college or no institution is ever built by one person. My best wishes today go with Rowan College at Burlington County as you continue the excellent progress that the college has made so far. I certainly didn't have as much to do with it as you've heard tonight, but I was happy to be a part of it and to be with the great team that we were able to put together and to move the college forward.